Hi, I'm Vito. I'm the bar manager at the Dorrance here in Providence, Rhode Island, and today we're going to be making you a cocktail from our list called the If You Like Drinking Negronis. It's kind of a twist on the classic Negroni, almost like an intro to Negronis for people who aren't ready for that bitter palate yet. It's a really great way to start getting into stirred cocktails and gin. So today we're going to start with a local gin from the guys at Sons of Liberty. This is a Geneva style gin, so it's not going to be as botanical as a lot of gins or as dry. It's going to have some malty notes that almost make it border on a whiskey. So we're going to start with that. We'll do 1.5 ounces. Then we're going to go with 3/4 ounces of Kina, which is an aromatized white wine. It's going to give it a really cool mouthfeel and also some really nice herbal and bitter notes. So we're doing 3/4 of that. Also add a dash of Angostura bitters, probably our most recognizable bitter that you see on the back of just about every bar in America. And then we're also going to round it off with some chocolate bitters. This is from Bittermens. Gives it like a little bit of sweetness too, so you're going to have a lot going on in this drink. We'll just do 1 dropper's worth. And then we're just going to add some ice into our vessel here. Don't be afraid of ice. Ice is the key. People are sometimes like to not have their drinks diluted, but that opens up so much more of the flavor. You actually want 20% of your drink to be water, so that's where we're going to stir this guy. So we're going to serve this drink over a large rock too. It's got a lot more surface area and it's not going to melt as much, so your drink should stay colder longer without too much dilution. And we're just going to finish this off with an orange twist, releasing some of those cool oils from the outside of the orange peel. Go around the glass so it's the first thing you smell. And that is the If You Like Drinking Negronis.